So as we look at this application for a non-USA citizen, there's a few mistakes that I see on the application, but we're going to start. I have the guidelines on the right side, the application on the left side. So we're going to break down the 9 guidelines. We need to provide an ITIN number. Well, do we have an ITIN number? Yes, but it's placed on in the wrong place. SOI means state of issue of the license. So we should have Chicago, Illinois right here. So the IT number goes over here on the top. So we do cover the first guideline. Second guideline, do we have a copy of the driver's license? And the answer is yes, we have the copy of the driver's license. So we meet the second one. And then number 3, it says, do we have a current physician that practices in the US? And the current physician, we don't have one. It should be included right here in the notes. So I'm going to put, we're missing number 3. And it states that, if you can see with the 3 little stars, it says current physician, provide name, address, phone number, date last seen, and reason. So we didn't cover number 3. Have you lived in the United States for a minimum of 1 year? Well, we don't know. We don't know, so that leaves us number 4 that is not completed. So we need to put here, how long have they been in the United States? So we didn't meet number 4. Number 5 is no current plans of moving outside the US. So that's a question to the customer, and we say, Mr. Customer, do you have current plans to move outside of the US? Yes or no? If it's a no, we put customer does not plan to move outside the US. That's a note. So we didn't complete 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then if non-resident, which this customer is a non-USA resident without a green card, it means a W-8. Do we have a W-8? The answer is yes. We do have a W-8. Perfect. Let's move to this number 7. We can skip because this applies if they're a resident alien. So we're going to skip number 7 in this case. Number 8, if premiums paid by ACH, it needs to be a bank from the US. So do we have a bank from the US? Right here, Chase. And it tells you over here, name and address. So they bank at Chase, but what is the address? Yeah. So we need the address of the bank there and on the ACH. This is incomplete. This needs to be completed fully. So obviously this is going to be no. This is going to be checking. This is going to be on issue. Okay. And then you need to fill in the rest and print and sign for the customer, obviously. And then, so we didn't cover the number 8. So we're missing requirement number 8. And number 9 says, do we complete, you need to complete a telephone interview. It doesn't matter what the guideline of your agent guideline says, but it says that the guideline for a non-USA citizen, you need to complete a telephone interview. So we're missing requirement number 9. We don't have a phone number of the customer. They're not going to be able to contact them. They don't have a telephone number for the customer. They're not going to be able to contact them. So all in all, we're missing 1 requirement, 2, 3, 4, 5 requirements out of 9. So that this application, for sure, is going to be a decline. And that's all in this little session, but we need to cover all the 9 requirements for the non-USA citizen. You know, without a green card, you already met the ID part of it. You're you're giving the information to the company. So you got to cover all 9 bases, and you go check, check, check. All right.